So we are currently at the airport and we survived and we got here. And the line for TSA wasn't that bad. I mean, I think we probably walked in the line for about, I would say 10 to 15 minutes. So it wasn't too bad as we thought. And then we already prepaid for our bags. So we actually were able to load our bags in the front of, like, before we got inside. So we are here at the airport. We're kind of early, so they're boarding an actual plane now, and it's actually going to Costa Rica too. So I guess that was the earlier flight, but I didn't book that early. I booked at 12. So it actually boards at 11. So we have some time because right now it's 9:30. So we're just gonna sit here. My husband is trading, and I'm gonna go ahead and edit some videos, so just stay tuned for the rest of the video. So we are currently at TGI Fridays because we realized that we gotta eat. The flight is about 2 hours to 3 hours long, so that's like a flight to Vegas. And I know when we get off the flight, we're gonna be super hungry, even with the amount of snacks that we do have. So here we are at TGI Fridays, and it's something that I know and I've eaten before in the airport, but so I just got me a burger. We have officially made it to Costa Rica, and it's pretty loud, so you guys probably can't hear me, but we are here. Alright, we officially got through all of the airport situation, and we are waiting for our Uber now. It is pouring, guys. Like, so we're supposed to do the hot springs today, and I was ready to go, like going to check into the hotel and just straight going to the hot springs. But look at the weather. So we're gonna go to the hotel and see what's up from there. Check-in is at 3 o'clock, so we'll be able to check in right when we get there. It's like a 30-minute drive from the airport. So we'll see what we'll get into. If anything, we might have to pull out a little poncho. Okay, so this is the room. We just finally got here. It's beautiful. Look at the bathroom. And then it's very spacious as well. And then also the hotel, like, well, I'll tell you guys after. But it's outside. So we have finally got to the hotel. Oh my gosh, let me tell you guys. So the drive over here was insane. Like, there was so much traffic. It took us maybe an hour and a half to get from the airport to the hotel, but technically it was only a 30-minute drive. So we're finally at the hotel, and it's so cute outside. So there's like a lot of things in the hotel area, because like there's a sports bar, there's like restaurants downstairs, there's stores like that's not even too far from here, and I saw H&M. So they have a lot of things around this vicinity, so it's cool that this is probably like the perfect hotel. They also have a tea maker too, so, and I also brought my own tea. I always try to bring my own tea when I go travel. So I'll probably be using my own tea for that. But yeah. So right now we're going to, and since we can't go to the hot springs because of the rain, but also it's really late, so we landed at 1 o'clock. It's now 4:24. So it's very late and I'm really hungry. We're gonna go meet up with our friends at the sports bar and probably get something to eat, because we need something to eat and maybe a little drink, you know. So I'll show you, when I go down, I'll show you guys the outside area. So tonight I am using the skirt method as my top because I didn't want to wear a dress, because we're going to a more casual spot. It's actually a sports bar. So I just wore the scarf as a top. I got a cardigan and I have some jeans, and then I have like some cute sandals. So we're heading to the sports bar now. So this is the area and where we're staying. So we're going to that sports bar that is over there, but it is really cute. Like there's like so much here. There's like restaurants and like stores. You know what it reminds me of? Plantation. Not Plant. Yeah, Plantation Walk. Love it. And then there's a IHOP over there. Applebee's is over there. So they got all the stuff. Okay, so we are heading back in the hotel. This is the end of our night, I think. People said they're going to dinner, but I don't know if we're gonna go to dinner because we just ate. And I also have to edit these videos before the end of the night so that I can post them. So I have 2 videos, and then I might as well edit this one too, so you guys can see it, and everything is scheduled out until Saturday. And then when I come back Saturday, then you'll see day 2 and day 3. So I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching again, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel.